Wix Blank Template Tutorial. Wix website tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you on how you can make Wix website from a blank template. This will be a tutorial for beginners. So go ahead and open your browser in the desktop, type in wix.com and click on login to open your Wix account. Or you can also tap on sign up if you don't have a Wix account yet. In here, you can either use your Google account or your Facebook account. In my case, I'll choose the Google, and in this pop-up window, choose an email to use. Now, once you're logged in, click on Create New Site. It's here located on the top right part of the page. In this additional window, you have to choose what platform do you want to utilize. So we have two choices here. Either you use the built-in editor in Wix or you use their added new feature, which is the Editor X. So click on the Editor X, and in here, available templates that you can use will appear. That will definitely make your website making process easier. But of course, what we want to choose now is the blank canvas. So tap on the first one, wait for the Editor X to load, and now we don't have anything in the canvas yet. Now, on the upper left part of the screen, you can add your own logo. To change this, click on the L and click on the Change Vector Art. This pop-up window will show, and here you can either scroll down and choose Vector Arts provided by Wix, or you can also click on the Upload Media to upload your own logo. Tap on this Upload from Computer and choose Media Files from your own PC. In this video, I will only be using vector arts provided by Wix. As you can see, you can also type in some keywords in here if you have something specific in mind. So for example, I will search for web, choose one in here and click on add to page. As you can see, the logo is now in our canvas. Now on the right part of that logo, there is a single menu, which is the home. So this is the default one. Moving on to the upper left part of your screen, click on the plus icon, and as you can see, we can add a lot of elements to design our canvas. We can also add some layers in here. You can add additional sections to your website, and in here we can also add some masters. So masters are sections that you can show on multiple pages, and once you make changes to that one section, it will also apply to other sections as well. And then in here, you can also add pages. So in default, we only have the home. And to add page, just click on this plus icon. We need to name it. So for example, about, and then press enter. And then add another one, which will be the contact page. So going back to the canvas, we can now add additional menu here since we have additional pages. So to edit this, click on the menu, select Manage Menu, and here tap on Add New Item. Now choose Site Pages and check on the checkbox of the pages that you want to include in your website. After that, as you can see, the About and the Contact word is now added to our header. Now to edit these pages individually, click on the page icon in here, choose the page that you want to edit, and click on the three dots icon beside that. In here, you will see Edit Page. Beside the View Formats, we are now editing the About page. And here, you will also be given a blank canvas that you can lay out based on your liking and needs. Now, let's move on to the elements. So, click on this Add Elements, and from here, you can add title, paragraphs, buttons, image, and a lot more in this panel. What I'd like to do first is add a container. This is to create a new division in the website. I will just adjust this to fit the page, and to edit its properties, just click on this edit icon on the top right, and from here, you can edit its size, color, and the like. Now we can start adding more elements in this container. So I will add a button, click on the three dots icon, click add, and choose elements that you want. For now, I will put that here. Now let's edit its properties. On the first tab is its sizing and position. The next one, You can edit its color and action. So here its default settings, and here in hover is what will happen to the button once the cursor lands on them. So next it's its animation, and lastly its content. I will also add an image. Now this default photo will show, and to change that, click on the photo, click on change image, and from here you can again choose from the media provided by Wix or upload your own image. Now let's go ahead and add title and add text as well. So go back to the plus icon, choose title, and to edit its properties, just double tap on the title or click the edit icon here. You can edit its size, font type, color, styles, and everything based on your liking and based on the layout of your site. Additionally, when you see this icon, it means that you can add animation to that specific element. So just choose from here and the animation will be added to your element. Now let's add some text, and the same with the title. Just type in your paragraph and its properties can be edited in here as well. Now from here, scroll down and you can add another section that you will lay out again. Here you can either add a blank one, a grid, or a layouter type. Let's now use the grid type, and here you can choose the layout of your grid. So I will just choose this one, and as you can see, this grid is just added to guide the division of your section. Just like what we did a while ago, you can add any elements you want to put in your website. Lastly, let's use the layouter version. And here you can choose a layout and how many of that you need. So I will choose the block and raise the number to 8. From here, you can customize again and add elements. Moving on, you will see on the top the desktop, tablet, and mobile view. This is to show you how your website will appear on every device. Now let's see the mobile view, and as you can see, it's not as organized as we designed in on the desktop view. But all of the elements are still present here. So what we need to do is just arrange the layout on each view. So change its size and placement to fix the view. So what we need to do is just change the layout on each view. We need to change its size and placement to fix the view. After that, click on publish and your Wix website is now done. So that is how you can make Wix website from a blank template. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.